Number 1. 1981 Datsun 280ZX, $4,900, Carlsbad, Washington. This 1981 Datsun 280ZX hatchback represents the final years of classic Japanese grand touring design. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. Showing 226,000 miles with an odometer rollover, it has been used as a daily driver and runs fairly well, though normal age-related issues should be expected. The blue exterior is in fair condition and it carries a clean title. New seals are needed, making garage storage recommended. But overall, this 280ZX is an affordable entry-level classic with strong enthusiast support. Number 2. 1978 Jeep Wagoneer Limited, $3,999, Seattle and Tacoma, Washington. This 1978 Jeep Wagoneer Limited is a true American sport utility icon, blending comfort and capability long before the segment became popular. It is powered by a V8 engine with 4-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. Showing 64,881 miles and offered with a clean title, it runs well and can still be driven regularly. The white exterior retains its classic look, and many new parts have been installed while keeping the vehicle largely original. This Wagoneer is an increasingly collectible vintage sport utility at a very attractive price. Number 3. 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, all original, $6,500, Valley Village, California. This 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 marks the first year of the third-generation Camaro and a major shift toward a more aerodynamic design. Showing 107,000 miles, this automatic coupe is described as factory original, including its rare white and gold color combination and original blue California plates. Owned by the seller for over 15 years and having only 2 owners total, it starts easily and runs strong. Although it has a salvage title, its originality and California history make it appealing to Camaro enthusiasts. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro, $15,000, Montrose, Colorado. This 1979 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro is a heavily modified muscle car built for serious performance. It features a built 408 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine, turbo 400 automatic transmission, and a 4.56 positraction rear end, clearly set up for drag racing. Owned since 1990 and stored indoors, it has solid rust-free floors. While it needs brakes, tires, a windshield, and cosmetic work, the foundation is strong. Original wheels, interior, and extra parts are included, making it a solid performance project. Number 5, 1984 Cadillac Eldorado, $13,500, San Jose, California. This 1984 Cadillac Eldorado represents the front-wheel drive luxury coupe era of Cadillac history. Powered by a 4.1-liter 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it shows 180,000 miles and has a clean title. Finished in black, it maintains a classic luxury appearance and runs well with many components already replaced. An upgraded audio system with 10 speakers and a trunk-mounted amplifier adds modern comfort. This Eldorado offers classic Cadillac style with everyday usability. Number 6. 1968 Chrysler New Yorker 4-door hardtop, $8,275, Berkeley, California. This 1968 Chrysler New Yorker 4-door hardtop is a full-size luxury sedan powered by a 440 cubic inch V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. Finished in frost green metallic, it shows 165,000 miles with an odometer rollover and has a clean title. Over the past decade, more than $50,000 has been spent on parts and labor, with documentation and extra parts included. With Mopar performance components and elegant hardtop styling, this New Yorker offers exceptional value as a classic cruiser. Number 7. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Big Tire Drag Car, $20,000, Medford, Oregon. This 1981 Chevrolet Camaro is a purpose-built big tire drag car designed for serious competition. It is powered by a 468 cubic inch big block engine, producing approximately 687 horsepower, paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission and Dana 60 rear end. A 4-link suspension, certified roll cage, and lightweight setup allow it to run consistent 10-second quarter-mile times. It does not have a title and has odometer issues, but it is a turnkey race car ideal for experienced drag racers. Number 8. 1972 Chevrolet Nova, $20,000, Woodland Hills, California. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova has spent its entire life in California and is completely rust-free. It is powered by a 383 cubic inch stroker engine with an automatic transmission and delivers strong performance. The odometer shows 500 miles, reflecting the fresh drivetrain. It comes with a clean title, current registration, new wheels, HID lighting, and a removable spray wrap over primer and paint. This Nova is a street-ready muscle car with modern touches. Number 9. 1974 Plymouth SCAMP, $7,500, Sacramento, California. This 1974 Plymouth SCAMP Coupe is a well-kept compact muscle car powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission. Showing 89,000 miles and finished in white, it runs extremely well and has received recent mechanical work including new tires, brakes, carburetor, and suspension components. The air conditioning works and blows cold. With additional new interior parts included, this SCAMP is a reliable and drivable classic. Number 10. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Super Sport, $25,000, Litchfield Park, Arizona. This 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Super Sport is an early example of one of Chevrolet's most iconic muscle cars. It is powered by a 3 cubic inch engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission and is currently a partial assembly project. Steering, brakes, cooling, and wiring still need to be completed, though extra new parts are included. With a clean title and classic super sport styling, this Chevelle offers a strong foundation for an enthusiast build. Number 11, 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, $19,660, Leander, Texas. This 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is a well-preserved luxury cruiser finished in red with a white vinyl roof. Powered by a V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission, it shows 24,864 miles with an odometer rollover. It has been carefully maintained and features a rebuilt transmission, new tires, serviced engine, converted air conditioning system, and a working original radio. Unrestored and well cared for, this Thunderbird offers classic comfort and strong collector appeal. Number 12, 1949 Plymouth Deluxe Special, $16,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1949 Plymouth Deluxe Special is an outstanding example of post-war American automotive design. Powered by a rebuilt flathead inline 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual column shift, it has undergone a complete frame-off restoration. Showing 63,592 miles, it runs and drives beautifully and has been garage-kept since completion. With rust-free bodywork, restored interior, upgraded brakes and suspension, and high-quality paint and chrome, this Plymouth is near showroom condition and ideal for serious collectors.